To access the price calculator for any item, just go to the Price Calculator tab on the item's detail page. To use this tool, you must enter in the item's cost and size information under the Inventory Information tab. Enter an amount for either pour cost, menu price, or profit, and Backbar will calculate the amounts automatically for the other two fields. For example, if you enter in profit for an item, Backbar will automatically calculate its pour cost and menu price. If you are on the free plan, Backbar will show you that items pour cost, menu price, and profit per bottle and per a fixed serving size. This fixed serving size is either per 1 ounce or per 25 milliliters based on what your default volume units are. Users on the Essential or Professional plans have the ability to change and save the serving size for each item. You can also cost out the price for recipes. From the Recipes page, either click on an existing item or create a new recipe. To use the recipe price calculator, make sure that all the ingredients added have both completed size and cost information. For more support articles and videos, visit the Backbar Help Center at getbackbar.com/support.